Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a common struggle that many of us face, and that is understanding English but struggling to speak it fluently. Trust me, I have been there too. First off, let's address the common misconception that if you can understand English, you should automatically be able to speak it fluently. Well, that's not always the case. Understanding a language is like laying the foundation, while speaking it is like constructing a building on top of it. So, why is it that we can understand English but struggle to speak it confidently? Well, there are a few reasons for that. One reason could be the fear of making mistakes. Yes, you heard it right. The fear of making mistakes. We worry about mispronouncing words or using incorrect grammar, which holds us back from speaking up. We worry about sounding silly or being judged by others. But here's the thing, making mistakes is actually a crucial part of learning. My dear friends, just embrace them as opportunities to improve and grow. Another factor could be limited practice, yet limited practice. Understanding English comes naturally when we are exposed to it through movies, music, or even social media. However, speaking English requires active participation and practice. It's like learning to ride a bike. You can just watch others do it and expect to ride perfectly without trying it yourself. You can't. You actually never can do that. Another reason is that speaking involves using different muscles in our mouth and vocal cords. It's like learning to play a musical instrument. It takes time for our muscles to get used to the new movements. So, keep practicing those pronunciation exercises and tongue twisters. So, now let's talk about some practical tips to help you improve your spoken English. First, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos in English. You may also watch my videos as well. Listen to podcasts or music in English. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the easier it will be to speak. This constant exposure will help you internalize the language and boost your speaking skills. Secondly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. My dear friends, remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Embrace them as stepping stones towards fluency. Thirdly, find opportunities to practice speaking English regularly. Find a language partner or join a language exchange group. Practicing with others who are also learning English can boost your confidence and provide valuable feedback. Engage in conversations with native speakers or join language exchange groups in online. You can easily find many online applications to practice speaking English. So just go and grab them, baby. Just go and grab them. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. And finally, don't forget about the power of repetition and consistency. Set aside dedicated time, minimum 10 to 15 minutes each day, to practice speaking English, whether it's through recording yourself or engaging in conversations with native speakers in online, or you may also try it in offline. Remember, learning a language is a journey and everyone progresses at their own pace. Don't compare yourself to others and celebrate small victory along the way. Lastly, my dear friends, be patient with yourself. Fluency takes time and effort. So, if you can easily understand English but struggle to speak it fluently, don't worry. With practice, patience, and a positive mindset, you will get there. Keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, and soon enough, you will be speaking English with confidence. Remember one thing, my dear friends, understanding English is just the first step. Speaking it fluently requires practice, perseverance, and a positive mindset. So, let go of your fears, step out of your comfort zone, and start speaking confidently. That's it for today's video. I hope you find these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more language learning content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Until next time, keep practicing and never stop speaking. Bye bye.